Forget standard gold shops. Today, we're bringing real, server-authoritative in-app purchases to RPG Maker MZ. You can grab this plugin and explore our full dev suite at the link below. Let's import it and get it configured. First up, the HMAC secret. Paste your 64-character Cloudflare code here. This is your core anti-cheat shield that verifies every transaction server-side. Next, set your worker endpoint. You can use our free default endpoint or hook up your own Cloudflare subdomain. Then, adjust your currency settings name, ISO code, and price symbols to fit your game's economy. Under platform mode, keep it on auto for dynamic detection. Switch to Steam for Steamworks, or use Web for Stripe-backed browser and mobile exports. Use mock mode when testing locally. If you're using Stripe, grab your publishable key from your Stripe dashboard under Developers API keys and paste it right into the plugin. Now for the shop itself. Players can open it straight from the pause menu, or you can trigger it via an event. To add items, paste your product JSON with descriptions, quantities, and prices. Then, create the product in Stripe, copy its price ID, and paste it into the plugin field to sync everything. Let's test a live purchase. Smooth checkout, instant server verification, and an automatic receipt. Clean, secure, and ready for commercial launch.